Welcome back. So 75, which of the following statements is correct about experiment? This chapter is based on nutrition and also food test. 75, the leaves outside the flax, they serve as control. This leaf where you leave them, they serve as control to show say this leaf here no the photosynthesize. That's the major thing there because you don't enclose them. So 75 is option. Actually, the experiment is an experiment to show starch. We say starch is the immediate product after photosynthesis. So to show that starch. So these leaves outside here, they will show a positive test of starch, while the one inside will show a negative test of starch. Alright, 76. The experiment setup can be used to demonstrate you see, simple. 76 is option D, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. That's what. Why do I know it's carbon dioxide? Caustic soda used to absorb carbon dioxide. So 77, the capture and digestion of insect by peach plant is a special form of nutrition known as. This nutrition is special, but it's not chemosynthetic. It's not option C and D. It is 77 is option B, heterotrophic. 78, the person with obese must avoid. You need to avoid margarine and butter. Option B. 79, the dark reaction of photosynthesis involves reduction of carbon. They've repeated this question again. Reduction of carbon dioxide to organic compound. 79 is option A. 80, all living cells require water because they require water majorly because it's a medium for metabolic activities. Option A. 9, blindness results from deficiency of option B, which is vitamin A. The photosynthetic pigments include option A. 82 is option A. Yes, chlorophyll and carotenoid. 83, stunted growth and poor root development as a result of option 83 is option C, calcium. Don't forget stunted growth. Once they see poor root, insectivorous plant they trap and kill prey to derive nitrogen. Option C, because they grow. They can also ask where do they grow? They grow in a soil that is deficient in nitrogen. 85, which of the following is an example of carnivorous plant? Bladderwort. Option B, bladderwort, Venus flytrap. We have pitcher plant, and there's another one. 86, which of the following is lacking in the diet of a person with kwashiorkor? Protein. 87, the mode of nutrition of sundew and bladderwort can be termed. They repeated this question again. You cannot say zoic. Zoic means it's for animals. It's not saprophytic. It's not chemocytic. Chemocytic is for nitrobacter and the rest, nitrosomonas. So 87 is option D. 87, holozoic. Wait, zoic, holozoic, bladderwort. 1 minute, please. Actually, it is autotrophic, but in this case, we'll go for holozoic because holozoic would cover the mode of nutrition for carnivorous plants, which is the same thing as here. It is synonymous with heterotrophic, so we'll go with option. Sorry, it cannot be autotrophic. Autotrophic is when you produce your own food by yourself. Saprophytic, you feed on dead. Chemocytic, you use some chemical compounds to produce your food. So option B. 87 is option B. 89, I think this question stop at 90 something here. When a mixture of food substance, Benedict, what comes to your mind? Sugar test. When a mixture of food substances and Benedict solution are warm, the solution change from blue to brick red. This indicates the presence of reducing sugar. 89 is D. I beg, no forget. 88 is D, reducing sugar. Not some people will pick sucrose. No, reducing sugar. 89, chemosynthetic organisms are capable of manufacturing their own food from simple inorganic substance through the process of phosphorylation. 89, oxidation. 89 is option D, oxidation. Next question stop at 95, I think. Which of the above mode of nutrition is correctly matched with the organism that it exhibits? 90. Which of them is correctly matched? Okay. Agama lizard is autotrophism. Option A. Agama lizard is autotrophism. It's correctly matched here. Agama lizard is autotrophism. 90 is option A. 91. In plant, which of the following is required in minute quantities? Copper. 91 is option A. Boron is also copper, boron, molybdenum. We touched that one earlier. Which of the following organism is both parasitic and autotrophic? Parasitic and autotrophic. It is option A. Sundew. Sundew. But sundew is not parasitic. Hence, it is carnivorous. No option here is right. No option is right there. Which of the following is a polysaccharide? Polysaccharide is cellulose. Option D. Now write down monosaccharide equals glucose, fructose and galactose. Next, disaccharide equals maltose, sucrose and lactose. While polysaccharide equals cellulose, chitin, glycogen and starch. 94. Question stopped at 95. 94. During the manufacture of food by plant, which of the following organism uses energy from the sun? Which of them uses energy from the sun? 94 is anabena. Anabena. And the process is chemosynthetic process. Option D. 95. Plants that have special devices for trapping and digesting insects are called carnivorous plants. 95 is option D. And that's that for the chapter on on nutrition and food substances. You're done watching the videos like this. I'd like you to send all the notes you've been able to jot down orderly for me on the WhatsApp group. If you're not part of the WhatsApp group, I'll leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. Please be notified that we run a class. We run a class preparing students for exams, O-level and A-level exam. If you would like to be part of us, make use of the link in the description box to enroll now. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to, and also leave a like.